Okay, so our app at this point in time is, rather plain, but we've really covered a tremendous amount of material. We've done everything from running on multiple platforms. So, I'm running this on the simulator right now, but you could just as easily start up Genie Motion and run this entire app inside of Android as well. The app that we created is 100% compatible with both iOS and Android, and I really encourage you to try it out for yourself. We made this happen by making index.android.js and index.ios.js both render the same component, main. That means that anything that main shows, the respective platform will show as well. This setup is working pretty well for us so far, but if we ever end up with wanting to customize the look and feel on one platform, maybe we want the design on iOS to be a little bit different than the design on Android, then we might want to start breaking up the different components inside of our application. Even if we do that though, there's still definitely a lot of cases in which we could probably share some code between our different components. The next thing we covered was parse. We used parse to stand in for a more traditional backend. Parse handles stuff like user authentication and data storage really easy. We signed up for a parse account and we used the parse console to create a user and later checked out data on that console to make sure that our data was being saved correctly. We also made use of the parse library within our app. We installed the parse React library, but we didn't immediately make use of it anywhere within our application just yet. In coming applications, where we might want to make queries to our data and then show them inside of a particular component, that's where parse React is going to start to come into play. The final thing that we covered was the navigator. And I got to tell you, I really hope that you enjoy that section on the navigator, because before putting that content, all this content together, I did a lot of research in the navigator myself, and I don't think that I found a single resource out there that was really complete in understanding, in conveying how to make use of the navigator effectively. But the implementation that we have here, in my opinion, is pretty darn robust, and I think that you can really take it and make a really great app out of it. The best part about it is that it's really just dead simple. There's not a lot of complexity here. It's pretty easy to wrap your head around. The navigator was placed into the root component, main.js. We worked with the navigator by using three primary methods: push, pop, and immediately replace stack. Always remember that you need to be thinking of the navigator as a stack of views. Views with a similar context, like our sign in and sign up component, should sit on the same stack. But as soon as you depart to another feature, like tweets, it makes sense to replace the entire view stack. So I really hope that you enjoyed working on this application. We did definitely the bare bones to make an application here, but it's a very solid core of an application right here, and you can really take this and build some awesome applications in the future. And I hope that you'll join me in future sections in doing that.